Multiplying by sevens is one of the last set of facts that kids will start to work on in third grade. Students will have already worked on facts that have ones, twos, threes, fours, fives, 6, 8, 9s, and 10s. That leaves only 7 times 7 as a fact that students are not familiar with. A strategy that the kids can use to solve 7 facts are thinking about their fives. So I can think of 7 times 5 in this case to try to help me solve 7 times 7. 7 times 5 is 35. And I need to add 2 more groups of 7. So 35 plus 7 would get me to 42. And 42 plus 7 would get me to 49. So 7 times 7 is 49. And you see it over here on that grid. So that is just one strategy that you can use when multiplying by sevens.